नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। आज जो पेपर मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ वो हमारा 2012 का यूकेपीएससी अपर प्रीलिम्स का पेपर है। जैसा कि आप सभी लोगों को पता होगा, हम अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स की एक सीरीज़ चला रहे हैं। आशा करता हूँ कि आपने हमारी प्रीवियस वीडियोस भी देखी होंगी और इस वीडियो से भी आप मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट ले पाएंगे, जिससे आप मैक्सिमम सवालों का आने वाली परीक्षाओं में सही जवाब दे सकें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं 2012 अपर प्रीलिम्स यूकेपीएससी के क्वेश्चन पेपर का सॉल्यूशन। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द अर्लीस्ट रेफरेंस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक कंपास इज फाउंड इन। सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन डी, जवामिउल हिकायत। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आफ्टर द डाउनफॉल ऑफ द दिल्ली सल्तनत हु वॉज द फर्स्ट रूलर टू इश्यू द गोल्ड कॉइन। इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, हुमायूं। Match the following monuments with their concerned ruler and select the correct code given below. So we have monuments and the rulers who constructed them. See, this is very simple. True Arc Dome was constructed by Balban, as all of us know. So C matches to option 3. Hence, correct answer is option B. But let me revise this with you. Double Dome is constructed by Sikandar Lodi. Octagonal Tomb is constructed by Sher Shah. True Arc Dome, as I said, it is Balban, and Gol Gumbad is Adil Shah. Next question is, which monument is not at Fatehpur Sikri? So the answer to this will be Akbari Mahal. So let me tell you, ये कैसे आयोग द्वारा आपकी आगामी परीक्षाओं में पूछा जा सकता है। वो ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं कि इन 4 ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा मॉन्यूमेंट आपका फतेहपुर सीकरी में है। उनमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन ए, बी या सी जो यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस दे रखे हैं उनमें से हो सकता है। सो इस क्वेश्चन से हमें क्या पता चलता है, गोल्डन पैलेस, पंचमहल और जोधाबाई पैलेस हमारे तीनों मॉन्यूमेंट्स फतेहपुर सीकरी में हैं। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आश्रम्स रिलेटेड टू महात्मा गांधी इज द ओल्डेस्ट। इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी, फीनिक्स आश्रम, जो कि साउथ अफ्रीका में लोकेटेड है। Question 6th, the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court established by the East India Company was. Option A will be the correct answer, which is Eliza Impe. Moving on to the next question, who was the author of Neel Darpan? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन डी, दीनबंधु मित्रा। Next question is, Azimullah Khan was an advisor to. Option A, Nana Sahib is the correct answer. Who established Satyasodak Samaj? This is Jyotiba Phule and this was established in Maharashtra. Question D is, Muzaffar Ahmad, S.A. Dange, Shaukat Usmani and Nalini Gupta were jailed for which conspiracy? This is option D, कानपुर बोल्शेविक कॉन्स्पिरेसी केस। अब ये क्वेश्चन आपका अलग तरीके से भी आगामी परीक्षाओं में पूछा जा सकता है। वो आपको ऑप्शन दे देंगे कि इनमें से कौन व्यक्ति कानपुर बोल्शेविक कॉन्स्पिरेसी केस का पार्ट था। सो ये जो चारों नाम हैं आपके, मुजफ्फर अहमद, S.A. डांगे, शौकत उस्मानी और नलिनी गुप्ता, आपको ये याद करने हैं। ये रखते हैं आपका ताल्लुकात कानपुर बोल्शेविक कॉन्स्पिरेसी केस से। द लॉन्गेस्ट ग्लेशियर इन उत्तराखंड इज गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर, विच इज ऑप्शन डी। उसके बाद दूसरे नंबर पे आता है आपका पिंडारी ग्लेशियर। मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज क्वेश्चन 12। अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंसस 2011, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ उत्तराखंड हैड नेगेटिव पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट। इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी, अल्मोड़ा। Which are called dunes in Uttarakhand? Structural valleys. In which of the following rivers confluence is गोविंद घाट located? देखिए, जो गोविंद घाट है वो हमें पता है ये हेमकुंड साहिब चमोली के पास लोकेटेड है। अलकनंदा एंड भागीरथी गलत, इसका जो संगम है वो देवप्रयाग में है। ऑप्शन डी, अलकनंदा एंड धौली गंगा, इसका जो संगम है आपका वो है आपका विष्णुप्रयाग में। तो ए और डी तो हो नहीं सकते, बचे ऑप्शन बी एंड सी। तो इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी, अलकनंदा एंड लक्ष्मण गंगा। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व इन उत्तराखंड। ये है आपका नंदा देवी। गोविंद नेशनल पार्क, कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क और राजाजी नेशनल पार्क, ये तीनों नेशनल पार्क हैं, बट जो नंदा देवी है वो है आपका बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व। इसी के साथ मैं आपको थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन और दे देता हूँ इस क्वेश्चन के ऑप्शंस के बारे में। जो गोविंद नेशनल पार्क है वो है आपका उत्तरकाशी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में। कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क आपका 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में है, विच इज पौरी एंड नैनीताल। जो राजा जी है आपका वो है 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में, हरिद्वार, देहरादून एंड पौड़ी। एंड जो नंदा देवी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व है, लेट मी टेल यू, नंदा देवी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1982. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988 and it was included in the UNESCO's network of man and biosphere reserves in 2004. So these three important facts are also there. Which one is the most extensive part of the ocean floor? This is option D, deep sea plains. Grenada is located in Caribbean Sea, which is option C. A telegram was sent from Greenwich at 12 noon. Now Greenwich is 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude. The time for transmission was 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Now let me give you another information. One longitude is equal to 4 minutes. So 12 minutes is equal to 3 degrees, right? On a longitudinal scale. Now it reached the town at 6 p.m. So the difference between 12 noon and 6 p.m. is 6 hours. This is how many longitudes? 6 into 60 divided by 4. Divided by 4, so 4, 15, 15, 6 are 90 degrees east. So we know that the place is located at 90 degrees east. Also, the time for transmission was 12 minutes, which is 3 longitudes. So the answer will be 90 degree east minus 3 degree. So this will be 87 degrees east, which is option B. Which one of the following is not a member of BRICS? This is option C, Saudi Arabia. The members of BRICS are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. South Africa became a member of BRICS in 2010. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is not associated to the group? The answer to this will be gneiss, which is a metamorphic rock, whereas all the other options, sandstone, limestone, and shale, are sedimentary rocks. The state having highest literacy rate as per 2011 census is, this will be option D, Mizoram. Next question is, which of the following is not properly matched? Not. बहुत बार आप ये जो क्वेश्चन का स्टेटमेंट होता है इसको ढंग से नहीं देखते और आपका जो क्वेश्चन है वो नेगेटिव मार्किंग दे जाता है. तो बहुत जरूरी है कि आप जो अपना क्वेश्चन है उसको ध्यान से पढ़ें. Simlipal, which is true, it is in Odisha. Nokrek, Meghalaya is also true. Agastyamalai, Kerala is also true. Option D is Kanchenjunga, Himachal Pradesh. No, this is not true because Kanchenjunga is located in Sikkim and not in Himachal Pradesh. Moving on to the next question, which is a list of industries and the places where these industries are located. देखिए आपको ये पता होना चाहिए जो सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री है आपकी, that is located in उदयपुर. So C matches to 2. C matches to 2, एक ही ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन A will be the correct answer. इसी के साथ हम और भी देख लेते हैं. ऑप्शन A, which is fertilizer industry, Sri Ganganagar, which is in Rajasthan. B, glass is in Jaipur. C, cement is in Udaipur, as I said, and synthetic silk is in Kota. Moving on to the next question, which one of the following rivers is associated with Sardar Sarovar project? This is option A, Narmada. On an outline map of India, 4 coal fields are given. Which one is not correctly shown on the map? A, Satpura, which is correct as we can see on the map. Son Valley is again correct. Korba, which is in Chhattisgarh, is correct. And option D, Karnpura, is wrong. No. So answer will be option D. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following groups is the correct sequence of mountain peaks from east to west? So it is asking the mountain peaks from east to west. This is very important question and you need to memorize this. You can understand it on a map as well, but for the time being, let me tell you the answer. This is option B. Kanchenjunga comes first, then towards its left side comes Everest, then Annapurna, then Dhaulagiri. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of states of India in descending order of their size? देखिए आपको पता है कि जो यहाँ पे स्टेट्स दे रखे हैं वो हैं उत्तराखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड और हिमाचल प्रदेश. हिमाचल और उत्तराखंड तो बाकी दो स्टेट से बड़े हो नहीं सकते. सो आपका ऑप्शन जो ए है और डी है दैट इज एलिमिनेटेड. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट बिटवीन ऑप्शन बी एंड सी. द आंसर टू दिस विल बी ऑप्शन सी. छत्तीसगढ़ इज बिगर देन झारखंड, देन हिमाचल प्रदेश, देन उत्तराखंड comes at the 4th and the last place. Which river among the following does not join the Ganga river from left? This is option D, Son. Now we have seaports and the states in which they are located. Let me tell you, option C, Paradeep is in Odisha. So C matches to 2. Hence our answer is option A. Moving on to the next question. Basaltic lava rocks over Indian Deccan Plateau are formed in the following period. So the answer to this will be Cretaceous period, option A. Who was the first Indian to join as a member of UN Human Rights Commission constituted in 1946? This is Srimati Hansa Mehta, option B. Treaties of START 1 and START 2 were signed between USA and USSR, which is option A. When did the Protection of Human Rights Act came into force in India? This is option D, 1993. Under which agreement International Monetary Fund was established? This is option A, Bretton Woods Agreement. When was South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC, established? This was established in 1985. Its first meeting in India was held in 1986. Also, the headquarters of SAARC are in Kathmandu, Nepal. Moving on to the next question. State Legislative Assembly can participate in the election of the following. President of India, that is absolutely correct. Vice President of India, no, that is not correct. 2 is eliminated. So 1 and D are gone. Option A and D are gone. We are left with B and C. 1 and 3 are correct. So let us check option 4. Members of Legislative Assembly. Of course, that is definitely true. So the answer to this is option B. Moving on to the next question. Who was the first governor of Uttaranchal, now Uttarakhand? This is Surjit Singh Barnala. Option D. Again a repeated question from the previous year papers of the commission. Srimati Margaret Elva was the first woman governor of Uttarakhand. So this is another fact that you need to remember. Which constitutional amendment provided constitutional status to urban local government? This is 74th Amendment Act, which led to the addition of 12th schedule, and the rural local self-government is 73rd Amendment Act, which is the 11th schedule. Right now our constitution has 12 schedules in all. By whom the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court can be enlarged? This is option C, that is Parliament by making a law. Option C. Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha, otherwise a no confidence motion is passed and the Council of Ministers has to resign. Which of the following has been described as the soul of the Indian Constitution? This is Article 32, which is right to constitutional remedies. Again a fundamental right. The Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the direct supervision of this is option D, which is Lok Sabha Speaker. Who among the following is not appointed by the state governor? Option A, Chief Minister. No, the Chief Minister is appointed by the governor. He is the one who gives the oath to the Chief Minister. Members, State Public Service Commission. That is true. Judges of the High Court. That is true. Advocate General. That is true. No, so option C is not true, judges of the High Court, because judges of the High Court are appointed and even their transfer is done by the President of India and not by the state governor. So answer to this will be option C. Question 44 is, under which of the following the Constitution Assembly of India was created? This is Cabinet Mission Plan, option C, which is of 1946. Which of the following constitutes the Indian Parliament? This will be Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the President, which is option A. Who presides over the joint sitting of the two houses of Parliament? This is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. What is the tenure of the Chief Election Commissioner of India? So the answer to this will be 6 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Option B. Where the public interest litigation PIL can be filed? This is option D, both in High Courts and the Supreme Court. Moving on to the next question. Which tribes of Uttarakhand had trade relations with Tibet before 1962 or with China? This is Bhotia. Who established the Gaddesh Seva Sangh? This is Shridev Suman. Let me give you 2 more facts about Shridev Suman. He was responsible for founding the Tihri Rajya Praja Mandal to protect the people of Tihri from the atrocities of the king. Also, he founded the Tihri Rajya Praja Mandal on 23rd Jan 1939. Also, Shridev Suman was martyred on 25th July 1944. Both these facts have been asked in the previous year questions of the commission. Moving on to the next question. Who was the first chairman of Uttarakhand Kranti Dal? This is D.D. Pant, and Uttarakhand Kranti Dal was founded in 1979. Who is known as Gandhi of Uttarakhand? This is Indramani Badoni. A person can contest the Panchayat election if he has attained the age of 21 years, which is option C. By which constitutional amendment OBCs have been given 27% reservation in the admission to educational institutions? This is option B, 93rd. Who administers the oath of office and secrecy to the governor? This is option C, Chief Justice of the High Court. Which one of the following states first established the institution of Lokayukt? This is Maharashtra. It passed a resolution for setting up of a Lokayukt in 1971, which came into force in 1972. Which of the following commissions has recommended the creation of a local body ombudsman? This is second ARC, which is option B, Second Administrative Reforms Commission. Question 58. Which one of the following committees is not associated with Panchayati Raj system in India? Dinesh Goswami Committee. It is not related to Panchayati Raj. All other committees, which are LM Singhvi, Sadiq Ali, Ashok Mehta, Balwant Rai Mehta, these are all related to Panchayati Raj. Moving on to the next question. Under which article of the Constitution reservations in admission to educational institutions, including private and unaided, to OBCs, ST, SCs is made? This is Article 15(5). Right to Education introduced 86th Amendment came into force in 2010. Next question is, which one of the following is known as Mystery Lake of Uttarakhand? This is Roopkund. Let me tell you, the first time the scientists were able to carry out research on the human skeletons that are being found in Roopkund, it was in 1956, and this question has also been asked by the commission in their previous years. Which of the following food crops of Uttarakhand state covers the maximum sown area? This is option C, wheat. As per 2011 census, literacy rate of Uttarakhand state is option A, 79.63%. Which one of the following is the highest snow-covered peak of Uttarakhand state? The answer to this is option C, Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi is the highest, and at second place comes Mount Kamet, a question which has again been asked very recently in FRO paper held on 28th November 2021. On which of the following rivers the TD Hydro Power Project has been constructed? This is Bhagirathi and Bhilangana. Bhagirathi originates from Gomukh Gangotri Glacier, whereas Bhilangana originates from Khataling Glacier in Tiri Gadwal. Which one of the following countries was included in BRICS in the last, which was in 2010? This is South Africa. The Bretton Woods conference led to the establishment of, let me tell you, IMF was definitely created by Bretton Woods. So one has to be there, which is in, of course, all the options. So this doesn't solve our question. WTO wasn't created by Bretton Woods. So fourth is not there. D option is gone. Also, United Nations wasn't created by Bretton Woods. So 3 is again gone. So we are left with only one option, that is option A, IMF and IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Which one of the following organizations publishes the Human Development Report? This is UNDP. Question 69. Question 69. Which one of the following World Bank affiliates provides assistance for poverty alleviation to the world's poorest countries? So the answer to this is option B, International Development Association. Question 70. When the exchange rate changes from $1 is equal to 60 to $1 is equal to 50, it means that the value of rupee has increased, that is rupee has appreciated. One has to be there. Now we are left with options A and C, and dollar value has depreciated. So 1 and 2 are correct. According to Malthusian theory of population increases in geometrical progression, which is option A. The Phillips curve represents the relationship between inflation and unemployment, which is option B. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following economists propagated the pure monetary theory of trade cycle? So the answer to this will be option A, Hawtrey. Who is the author of the book The Accumulation of Capital? This is option A, Mrs. Joanne Robinson. Which of the following economists introduced fiscal policy as a tool to rectify the Great Depression of 1929-30? This is a very famous economist. This is Professor Keynes, John Maynard Keynes, option A. The Committee on Financial Sector Reforms 2008 in India was headed by, the answer to this is option B, Raghuram Jarjan, who has also been the governor of our Reserve Bank of India. As per Census 2011, the sex ratio in India is? So the answer to this will be 940, and this has been very recently asked in the lower PCS examination. The planned development model was adopted in India from, this is option A, 1st April 1951. Which one of the following is the chairman of the National Development Council? This is the Prime Minister of India, which is option A. Which of the following states in India is famous for rubber cultivation? This is Kerala. Which one of the following is part of fiscal policy? So the answer to this will be tax policy, which is option B. Narega was renamed M Narega on 2nd October 2009. A very important question, because schemes like Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Yojana are always in news, so you should remember this. Narega was renamed after Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October 2009. Moving on to the next question. The Indian rupee was made convertible into which of the following accounts since March 1994? This is current account. It was fully convertible into current account, but only partially convertible into capital E account. So it was made fully convertible into current account, which is option B. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority was set up in India on, this is April 2000, which is option A. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is not a function of the Reserve Bank of India? This is option B, regulation of foreign trade. This is not the function of Reserve Bank of India. Rest all are functions of RBI. In cyber law, terminology DOS means denial of service. Option A. Multimedia can contain, this is option B, graphics, animation, video, music and voice. Option B. Sending an identical email message reportedly to a particular address by any abuser is called email bombing, which is option C. A program that has capability to infect other program and make copies of itself and spread into other programs is called virus, which stands for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. The full form of virus may also be asked, so you should remember this. The practice of using more than one type of medium in computer at the same time is known as multimedia, option A. 1 carbon credit is equal to 1000 kg of CO2, which is option C. Kedar Valley disaster of June 2013 was caused by heavy rains in the catchment area of a river, which was Mandakini, and the glacier was Chaurabadi Glacier. Leakage of which of the following gases had caused the Bhopal gas tragedy? This is methyl isocyanate. Again, this question has been asked again and again by the commission, and it was on 2nd or 3rd December 1984. The air is also very important. Minamata disease is caused due to the pollution is caused due to mercury poisoning. Option C. The number of organisms that can be supported by the environment in a given area is known as carrying capacity. The size of the nanoparticle ranges between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer, which is option C. Moving on to the next question. Biodiversity changes occur. So we should remember, as we go towards the equator, the biodiversity increases. So it increases towards the equator. Hence answer is option A. Bacillus thuringiensis is used as a biological insecticide. Option B. Which among the following gas is most responsible for global warming? A very basic question. So this is option C, carbon dioxide. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Ebola virus, smallpox. This is the one which is not correctly matched. So answer is option A. Which uranium isotope is used in nuclear power plants to produce electricity? This is uranium-235. Another isotope which is used, it is plutonium-239. Plutonium-239. Uranium-235 and plutonium-239, which you should remember. The main constituent of biogas is methane, that is CH4. Which one of the following element is used in solar cells? This is silicon, which is a semiconductor material. Which among the following is not a polymer? The answer to this is option C, caprolactam. Which vitamin is required for clotting of blood? This is option D, vitamin K. Filament of electric bulb is made of option A, tungsten. Which of the following radiations has the highest energy per quanta? So we know the energy is given by hc by lambda, where h is the Planck's constant and lambda is the wavelength. So energy per quantum is inversely proportional to your wavelength. Minimum wavelength is noticed in option B, so the answer is option B. Moving on to the next question. India's first dedicated navigation satellite, INSS-1A, was launched from Sriharikota, which is located near Nellore district in Andhra Pradesh. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Optic fibers. This is true. Light waves. Android. Voice input. Large Hadron Collider. God particle. That is true. Red planet is Mars. That is true. So the answer is option B, Android. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, IIRS, is situated at option A, Dehradun. Now from question 111 and question 112, both are related to current affairs, so I'll skip this. Moving on to the next question. Great Himalayan National Park, which has been accorded the UNESCO World Heritage Site status, is located in, you should remember this, that the Great Himalayan National Park is located in Himachal Pradesh and not in Uttarakhand. Where is the headquarters of the North Central Railway Zone situated? So the answer to this is Allahabad, option A. Again a current affairs, so I'll skip this. Moving on to question 117. International Day of Non-Violence is observed on, this is 2nd October, which is Gandhi Jayanti. Moving on to the next question. The Rashtriya Gokul Mission announced by the Union government, again a current affair of that time, but let me tell you the answer was option A, protecting the indigenous breed of cows. POXO Act is related to option B, that is children. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 120, who has been appointed as the new security advisor of India. So this is Ajit Kumar Doval. He is also the national security advisor at present. This is option D. Chief guest of the Republic Day Parade 2014, again a current affair, so I'll skip this. Now we have current affairs till question number 129, so I'll skip all of these. Which of the following states will be benefited by the proposed Kisau Dam project? This is Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. This dam is always in news, so let me tell you, Kisau Dam is being constructed on Tons River, and Tons is a tributary of Yamuna. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is presently the chairman of Rashtriya Mahila Ayog? Rashtriya Mahila Ayog is also National Commission for Women, and the chairman is Rekha Sharma. Rekha Sharma. You should note this. They might ask the chairman of National Commission for Women. So Rekha Sharma will be the correct answer. The famous Nanda Rajjat of Uttarakhand took place during which period in 2014? This is 18th August to 6th September 2014. Another way in which this question might be asked is that Nanda Rajjat Yatra of Uttarakhand was previously held in which year? So आपका आंसर तब हो जाएगा 2014. Moving on to the next question. Who is India's woman parliamentarian to win election for 8 consecutive terms from the same Lok Sabha constituency? This is Sumitra Mahajan, who was also our ex-Lok Sabha speaker, and currently our Lok Sabha speaker is Mr. Om Birla. Who is the author of the book Out of Print, Newspapers, Journalism and the Business of News in the Digital Age? This is Professor George Brock. Question 135 until question 140 we have current affairs again, but let me see question 140. Which one of the following organizations has officially declared India as a polio free country in March 2014? This is our WHO. अब ये क्वेश्चंस आपका आयोग द्वारा कैसे पूछा जा सकता है? That WHO declared India as a polio free country in which year? So then your answer will be 2014. Moving on to the next question, which is question 141. It is again a state related question. So Almora coins bear the names of, the answer will be option C, Shivdutt, Shivapalita and Haridutt. Tick out the correctly matched option out of the following combination of king and his capital. Somchand. Rajbunga, this is very true because the Rajbunga fort was constructed by Somchand. Who was known as Nakkati Rani in the history of Gadwal? This is Karnavati Rani, option B. Gadwal Sarvadalit Board was constituted in 1928 by Jayanand Bharti. Prajamandal, established by Shridev Suman on 23rd Jan 1939, was set up to free the people from the misrule of Tihri Rajya. The 6th century BC was a period of great religious upheaval in all parts of the world. The Vedic religion had become very complex. Both A and B are true, but both A and B are true, yeah. So the answer will be option B. The earliest known epigraphic evidence of Bhagavatism is found in the Garud column at Besnagar. This question is also very important. Buddhist text Milandapanu throws light on which Indo-Greek ruler? This is Meninder. This is option C. In which Vedic text the term Varna is found referred for the first time? This is Rigved, where also, let me tell you this, that the earliest reference for our state Uttarakhand is found in Rigved. There were different causes for the downfall of the Gupta Empire. Which one among the following was not the cause among the statements given below? Huna invasion, feudal setup of administration, acceptance of Buddhism by the later Guptas, and Arab invasion. There was no Arab invasion at that time. That was Huna's invasion. So option D will be the answer to this question. So with that, we complete our discussion of 2012 UKPSC upper prelims paper. Hope you enjoyed it and you learned the maximum out of it. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like our videos and join our Telegram channel for more further updates. Thank you everyone.